What is Pharma MBA? How this course is different from MS, MPharm and other practices in pharmaceuticals? What is the future scope for this Pharma MBA? Most important things, which are the premium institute which currently offering this course, that is Pharma MBA, and what is the basic eligibility or what is the basic qualification to take admission to this course, that is Pharma MBA or MBA in pharmaceutical management? These are the some of the common question which comes in mind of every pharma graduate or B.Pharm pass out student or every person who directly or indirectly related with pharmaceutical profession or pharmaceutical industry. So guys, if you are one of them who is also confused about what actually this Pharma MBA is, then don't worry, I am here to explain you in detail about what actually this Pharma MBA is and what is the future scope for this course, that is Pharma MBA. In this video, I am going to tell you about what actually this Pharma MBA is, what is the basic eligibility to take admission to this course, that is Pharma MBA, which are the premium institute which currently working in India or offering this Pharma MBA course, what is the basic curriculum or syllabus of this Pharma MBA course. So guys, with the start of video, I will start with my introduction in brief. So I am Vaibhav Shivanand Sangre. I am from Maharashtra and currently I pursuing Pharma MBA from NIPER Ahmedabad. This NIPER is basically National Institute in Pharmaceutical Education and Research, which work under Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer, Government of India. So let's start the video. So first question is, what is the basic eligibility or qualification for this Pharma MBA? See, every B.Pharm pass out or Pharma graduate student with minimum 50% mark is eligible to take admission to this Pharma MBA course. Now the next and very important question is that what actually this Pharma MBA is. See, listen carefully. This Pharma MBA is a specially designed program. It is nothing but it is a blend or combination of various business management principle along with industrial need and challenge. Listen carefully again. This Pharma MBA is nothing but it is a combination of various business management principle along with pharmaceutical industries need and challenge. This Pharma MBA is a specially designed course for those individual or those person who want to pursue their career into the pharmaceutical or healthcare industry, specifically or particularly in the managerial or leadership role. So that is the basic idea about the Pharma MBA. Now the next question is, what is the curriculum or syllabus of this Pharma MBA? See, basically this Pharma MBA is a 2 years postgraduate course. This course, now the curriculum or syllabus of this course, I will tell you some of the important subject of this course. Listen carefully. The some of the important subjects, namely marketing, market research, then basic of accounting and finance, basic of economics, statistics, then operation management or various operations in the pharmaceuticals, so the brand management. These are the some important subject. Along with this course also covered various computer based skill or various tools like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, then other than this Python, MySQL, Power BI, then Tableau. So this course covers such type of different tools to make students' analytical skill more and more effective. Along with this course also arranges lots of different guest lecture during these 2 years, so that just to give push to the brain of the students. Along with this course curriculum also involve various other activities, like if you are the Pharma MBA student, you have to deliver lots of presentation, you have to deliver lots of case studies, you have to participate in lots of group discussion, extempores, guest estimate, and this organization also arrange various brainstorming session for the students. So that's it about the curriculum or syllabus of this Pharma MBA. Now the next and very important question is, what is the future scope for this Pharma MBA? See, all the Pharma MBA postgraduate students have a tremendous scope in the pharmaceutical industry and consulting industry. Specifically, in pharmaceutical industry, there are lots of departments in which the Pharma MBA student fit very perfectly. So these departments are namely business development, business analysis, market research, marketing, PMT, that is project management team or product management team, then forecasting officer, then for global contract manufacturing. So these are the some basic role in which Pharma MBA candidate fit very perfectly. So this is the scope in the pharmaceutical industry and various type of consulting industry. Now the next question and very important question of this session for every Pharma graduate or B.Pharm pass out student is that, which are the premium institute which currently working or offering this course in India? See, As you all know that every pharma graduate or B.Pharm pass out student have to go through two important exams. One is GPAT, that is Graduated Pharmacy Aptitude Test, and second is NIPER, that is National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. So guys, if you qualified both of this exam, then you are eligible to take admission to the NIPERs. In India, there are total 7 NIPERs. In India, there are total 7 NIPERs, out of which only 3 NIPERs offers this Pharma MBA course, and these 3 NIPERs are situated at NIPER Mohali, which is situated in the Punjab, NIPER Hyderabad, and NIPER Ahmedabad. Only these 3 NIPERs offers this Pharma MBA course, and these are the very premium institute in India. As of now, in this situation in India, these are the best 3 institute for Pharma MBA in India. Okay, so that's it about this. Now, the one of the most important and good thing is that from last various year, this all 3 NIPERs achieved 100% placement with good connection with pharmaceutical, healthcare, and consulting industries. Now, other than NIPER, there are also various other institutes are there who are offering this Pharma MBA course. So, I would like to mention some 3 or 4 names of other institute. 2 institute which is situated in the Delhi. One is DEPSAR Delhi. DEPSAR is, that is Delhi Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, and second is Jamia Hamdard New Delhi. These 2 institute also offer this course, that is Pharma MBA, and these are also very premium institutes. After that, one institute is in which is situated in Jaipur of Rajasthan, that is IIHMR University. That institute is also very good institute. Then NMIMS, I think everyone known about this, NMIMS Institute of Management, which is situated in the Mumbai. So these are the, other than NIPER, these are the premium institute in the this Pharma MBA course. But other institute are also there, but if you want information about the other institute, then just put your doubt into the comment box. I will try to make another video on the other private good institute in this Pharma MBA management course. Okay, so that's it about the premium institute. Now after that, the most important question, how I decide that whether I pursue Pharma MBA or whether I pursue MPharm, MS or other practices in the pharmaceuticals. See guys, always listen the voice of your heart, because see, your interest is very important in our life. To survive in industry, your interest is important. To survive in industry, your interest is important. To live a happy life, your interest is very important. And ultimately, the aim of everyone's life is to live a happy life. That's why your interest is very important. For example, if you genuinely interested in research, then you can go for MPharm, MS and other practices in the pharmaceuticals. And whatever the syllabus, curriculum, activities I mentioned in this video, think on all these things. If you really feel that I find somewhat interest in myself in all these the subjects or curriculum, then and then only go for Pharma MBA. Don't go for Pharma MBA only because it offers higher packages. Don't go for MS or MPharm only because less fees. So take decision and listen the voice of your own heart. Please like and subscribe the video, and if you have any query regarding Pharma MBA, pharmaceutical, any doubt regarding the pharma profession, please put your doubt in the comment box. I will definitely try to make video on that particular doubt in the upcoming days, or I will at least try to reply your comment. So that's it from my side guys. Lastly, I want to say you that be energetic, be happy, be the best version of yourself, and all the very best guys. Thank you.